Welcome to the ultimate guide on cookware sets of 2026. Selecting the best cookware is key for every home chef. Today, we'll explore the standout cookware options that combine quality, durability, and design. In 2026, the cookware landscape has transformed. We're moving towards non-toxic materials and induction-compatible designs. Our team at Cookware Scout tested top brands to find the best options for you. First up, the all-clad D3 stainless steel stands out as the best overall with its exceptional heat control. It features a heavy-duty, durable construction that's perfect for any kitchen. Next, for great value, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro shatters expectations. It combines affordability with high performance, offering excellent heat distribution. If you prioritize non-toxic cooking, the Greenpan Valencia Pro shines with its ceramic non-stick surface. It's perfect for clean cooking and supports healthy meal prep. Lastly, for serious culinary enthusiasts, the Made in 5-ply stainless set offers a professional touch. Its weight and balance make it ideal for intense cooking. To choose the right set, avoid common mistakes. Don't overbuy or ignore the importance of quality lids. Maintenance is also crucial to protect your investment. In summary, select a set that matches your cooking style and needs. Check the links below for pricing on each recommended set. Ready to elevate your kitchen experience? Explore these top cookware sets today.